Good day everyone, I am Charmin Labaco and I'm sharing with you what I've learned in this chapter, Chapter 9. Internal efficiency assesses a company's ability to profitably use its assets, and popular indications include inventory value, inventory turns, and return on sales. Demand flexibility assesses a company's capacity to adapt to anticipated consumers' requests for larger quantities or specialized items. Product creation evaluates a company's ability to plan, build, and produce innovative goods for customers, particularly in emerging markets. Effective metrics for measuring supply chain efficiency should be easy to understand, meaningful, influence appropriate behavior, and be accessible. Lastly, we have 4 measurement performance categories. First, customer service. Second, internal efficiency. Third, demand flexibility. And fourth is product development.